this is Mike with Mike's Car Hole. Making this video with my nieces. This was a fun one for me. This is going to be a new series I'm going to try to do every week. It's going to be called Fundamental Fridays, where I'm just going to teach some basics for car maintenance, oil changes, changing out your wiper blades, just various easier projects on your cars that the average person can do. Once again, I have Anthony's merch on from Nemesis Group. Also, I have some of my own. Mike's Car Hole. If anybody's interested, please hit me up, leave me a comment, and I can try to get you either mine or his. So enjoy the video, and I will catch you next time. Turn the volume down now. Maybe. Hey, this is Mike's with Mike's Car Hole. I'm here with my niece BL. She's going to pull the oil plug on the Ram. See, I can't quite tell if I'm showing it right.
You are.
So, all right, Brooklyn, hit it. For BL. You got it. Get in there. You can do it. There. Nope. Grab further down here on this wrench. That's where your leverage is.
Okay.
Okay. You gotta turn it. That's the wrong way. Turn it the other way. There you go. Now it should be loose. You can twist it off by hand, all right? So you just twist it, and when it gets near the end, you want to keep forward pressure on it until you're ready to pull, because as soon as you pull it, it's gonna start coming out. Do you remember how many quarts are coming out of there?
7.
7. All right, go ahead and pull it. It's okay if you get messy. We got stuff to clean you. Keep going. You're gonna take it all the way out and try to hold on to that plug and not lose it. Almost there. It's not gonna hurt you. It's just oil. A little bit more. Keep your hands on that thing now, because it'll come shooting out of your hands. That's not it. Keep going. There you go. Don't set it in there. Set it on the top. Set it on the top. Over there. We don't want to lose that plug. How was that? Was that fun?
It was weird.
Okay. All right, let's see. Let's get those hands clean.
It's so weird.
Is this your first time doing an oil change?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't even think our grandpa barely even teaches us anything about cars.
Well, they can learn from their Uncle Mike. Where'd my hat go? So the other thing I like to do when I let the oil drain, I was noticing I was struggling with it myself. You need to give it a little time to drain. So while it's doing that, whenever I'm changing my oil, I like to drop the spare tire. So I found out I'm having issues with my spare tire on mine, so I'd much rather find out here than I would broke down on the side of the road somewhere actually needing this tire. So I'm gonna work on trying to get this tire down while the oil's draining. All right, we got the old oil filter out. We're gonna put the new one in. BL, will you show me what you're doing here? Is that the new oil filter?
Yes.
Yes. All right, what are you gonna do with it?
I'm going to dip my finger in and rub it against it.
You're just gonna rub it on that seal there?
Yes.
All right, show me how you do it.
How deep is this?
Don't worry, it's fresh, clean oil. Make sure you really get it on there good. If you need to go in for some more, go in for some more.
It's hard because it's deep. Well, it's not because it's down low.
All right, let me see that filter.
The-
All right, so most people will fill these up with oil and then put them in the truck. I don't do that. I'm just gonna go put it in the truck. I let the truck run for a little bit and then I'll top it back off. So I'll put in the correct oil, I'll run the truck for about 10 minutes and then I'll come in and top it off. I don't like to fiddle with this going over everything as I'm trying to put this in the truck. So that's why I do it. I'm gonna climb under here and put it in. See, I don't think I can film this.
How are you gonna put this oil on? Because you have that little tiny bit of oil left. How are you gonna put the rest in?
So you just want to put this thing on as tight as you can with your hands. You don't want to go any tighter. All right, so the new oil filter's in, plugs in. Just got to do a little wipe up job. All right, we're getting ready to put some oil back in the truck. My other niece H is going to help me clean this up and get it ready to go. Show me what we're doing here.
We're putting this paper towel in to wipe it off all the dust and stuff like that.
All right, get all that dust and stuff out of there. All right, now that we got the oil filter and the oil plug out and in, where it's time to start adding some fluids in. So my assistant BL here is gonna help me. See this key right here?
Yeah.
Push that button twice. It's scary, but watch the truck. It's going down. Look at it. See it going down?
Yeah.
Now you'll be able to really get up in there and see. It's gonna honk when it's done lowering all the way. Yeah, there goes some more. Now it's done. So we're done with the key. So just hop on up there. Hop on up. And the filter that H just cleaned for us, we're gonna put to use. So hang on to that for a second for me. Oil fill's right here.
Hey.
All right.
Put that in there.
So you put this in here. And, oh.
I'm gonna have to pour that out.
All right.
So I'm gonna reach over there.
Just lean down. You can lay your stomach on the truck. And then you can reach over, or do you want me to do this?
I can do it.
You film me then. All right, you got it?
Yes.
All right, here we go. So this is 5 quarts, so it's going to take every bit of this.
Why does it just turn off?
It's not off. I just went into save mode. Okay, I'll let that drain for a little bit. And it's going to need another 2 to 3 quarts, so. All right, we got all the oil in, and now we're going to go ahead and fire it up and let it run for about 10 minutes or so. See, is it going to run? I'm going to have to jump in the truck. All right, I'll hop in the truck and let it run for about 10 minutes or so. I never talked about the exhaust on this thing either. It's got a MagnaFlow. 2 in, 2 out, 2 into 1 muffler, 2 out. The original exhaust that came on this truck was apparently made out of pot metal because it disintegrated within 2 years of owning it. So that was a neat surprise, but I went with a much better setup. Also, still haven't had any success getting that tire down, so I'll be working on that here shortly. All right, I'll cut back in a minute or so and checking the fluids. All right, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes since I started it up, letting it run. I'm gonna double check the fluids. I did put a little bit extra in it, just to compensate for that oil filter. So I'm gonna check it now and see where we're at. I always clean the dipstick off first because when it's running, sometimes it won't give you an accurate marking on where the oil is. So I'll pull it out, check, pull it out, clean it, then I'll put it in and check it. Now the oil's had a chance to settle to the bottom. So this will give me a pretty accurate measurement. And it needs just a little bit. That'll be good. Put that on there too tight. About a half a quart low. And thank you, H, for cleaning my funnel for me, helping keep my engine safe. And that'll probably do it. Close it up. Pull that out. Cap it. And then we'll just double check it one more time. So same thing, pull it out, clean it, and then we'll go back in. Let's see, where are we at? It is full, right on the dot. Awesome. So the only thing left to do now is just to reset the oil light on the dash, and I'll pull the truck out here in just a second and show you how to do that. All right, so we're just gonna go in the truck now and reset the oil change light. So it'll look like this. So you're gonna scroll down so you get to vehicle info. Sorry, that's the right one. Vehicle info, and you're gonna go over to, that's oil temp, oil life, and then you're just gonna hold the plus button to reset it. Oh, gotta turn it off. So try this again. Now push and hold. Ignition and run. One more over. At least I'm not faking it. I'm doing it. Push Push and hold. Push to confirm. There we go. Reset. So that's an oil change on a 2016 Ram with the help of both of my great nieces. So hopefully I'll get to do some more videos with them in the future, and hopefully I can get that spare tire thing figured out. But thanks for watching.